Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Before we start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Timmy from Timmy's 10 Again Toys. He is almost at 1,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he really needs help on his watch hours, so please go check out his channel. Link is in the description below. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox today. This is the Custom 70 Honda N600. This is a very popular casting. This is from the K case, I believe. I scored this at a Family Dollar, like yesterday. They come in with old cases, which is a great opportunity to catch up with the ones I haven't gotten yet. Hot Wheels J Imports, number 7 of 10, new for 2021. This is a new model, first edition, 187 of 250 for the year. And I can do some reading since it's on USA card. GRX33 from K-Case, as I said. And the Custom 70 Honda N600, born 1970, Taipei, Taiwan. Designer is Honda. The small 2-door N600 sedan had an alloy 600 cubic centimeter engine, giving it a top speed of 81 miles an hour. The N600 holds a distinctive place in the history of the Honda Motor Company as it became the first Honda automobile to be officially exported to the United States. Hot Wheels J Imports a dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. Can't wait to get this open. This is just too cool. No, I ripped it a little bit there. Other than that, it was a clean open. Oh, this thing is... It's a cool little thing right here. Wow. Front wheels spin independently. That is cool. Alright, let's take a closer look at those details. Here's our Honda right here in cream yellow. First color, and then there's a teal one that's supposed to come out soon. There's the side there. Chrome 5-spoke wheels. Red interior. Take a look at that interior there. There's the front of the vehicle. And there's your designs on the front. Painted everything on the front. Got this like antenna thing here. That's not a blemish. Doesn't look like one. There's the gas tank right there. Cool casting. And the back is also painted, as you can see right there. This thing is absolutely amazing. Hot Wheels J Imports, and the base is going to be plastic and chrome. Got my fingerprints on it, that's okay. Custom 70 Honda N600. First imported Japanese car. 2020 the copyright. Thanks for tuning in and subscribe for more. This video was a lot of fun to make. And please subscribe to my channel as well as Timmy's 10 Again.